Hello everyone, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. I wanted to bring a quick video raising awareness on the giveaway that I'm hosting for my new YouTube channel called Pedal Peasants. For those who are not familiar, I do have a new YouTube channel called Pedal Peasants where I will be uploading biking videos, biking tutorials. I will also be uploading skateboarding videos, rollerblading videos, and pretty much all of the hobbies that I like to do on my end outside of tattooing, I will be uploading to my new Pedal Peasants YouTube channel. Anything outside of art, I will be uploading at Pedal Peasants. Entering this giveaway is actually very simple. All you're going to want to do is head over to my Pedal Peasants YouTube channel. I will leave links for you in the description below as well, or you can just simply search it up on YouTube, type in Pedal Peasants, subscribe to my Pedal Peasants YouTube channel, turn on that notification bell, and then drop a comment on any video and or multiple videos to lock in your entry. When we reach 1,000 subscribers on Pedal Peasants, I will be selecting a winner from the comment section within this time frame to be the winner of this giveaway right here. The gear that you have a chance to win in this giveaway consists of a tattoo silicone hand right here. We do have the Drago Art Phantom tattoo machine. I've done in-depth reviews on all of this gear that you see here, so feel free to check that out on my channel. Just search up the videos on my video page. This is the Drago Art Phantom Tattoo Machine. This is a true skin, fake skin slab, double-sided as well. It's a massive size piece of fake skin. And over here to the right, we have a large assortment of different needles. We have 23 round mags. We have straight mags, 15s right here, 15 mag. We have Rain 005 round liners. We do have some pin carts as well, so you can practice on paper, stipple shading. As you can see over here, we have a 49 round mag. So there is an assortment of different needles that are included within this giveaway. And when I say an assortment, I mean an assortment. There's some ink claw specialty needles in there as well. And not only that, you get multiple sizes. You get round liners, round shaders, and then you get different brands as well. Here is the pin card. You can practice stippling on paper. So you get the idea. There is a lot to gain here by entering this giveaway. Just to reiterate, recap for you all, head on over to my Pedal Peasants YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, drop a comment on any video and or multiple videos should you choose to do so to lock in your entry. When we hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be drawing someone randomly in the comment section to win all of this gear that you see right here. Entering this giveaway is as simple as that. Should you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comment section down below and I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. If you enjoy my content, consider becoming a patron or sending over a super thanks, as I would truly appreciate your support. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more giveaways and videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.